Alright, so this is going to be a quick demonstration of the DNNFoos FoosTracker. You can see right here it is currently powered off. It doesn't have any labels on it. We're going to have to change that before I actually put it in use on a foosball table. But what we're going to do is go ahead and power up the Netduino here. So the Netduino right now is currently just powered off of the micro USB cable. If I can plug it in here one-handed, I will. Now as that powers up, the LCD screen here powers up, and I'm not sure we're actually going to be able to see the LCD in the video here. Hopefully that'll turn out. Right now it says FoosTracker version 1.0.0 there on the screen. Now in addition to that, I have a .NET 6.1, I believe 2 website running here. Just running a quick and dirty ladder module, which if we go ahead and pull up the right browser here, do a refresh, currently doesn't show us anything. What we need to do on the FoosTracker, and there you can see the screen, at least until the camera adjusts the view again. If I come in and I press the lower button, that actually starts a new game. And we go back over here to the website and we do a refresh. You can actually see what happened is it ended the first game and started a new game. So the newest game is there up at the top. Started at, it looks like 9/26/39 this evening. So the game is currently set at 0-0. If we switch back to the FoosTracker, we can see it is also set to 0-0 on the home and the away team. Now I'm going to have to switch back and forth here to get the display working on the LCD. But basically what happens here is I can go through and I can add points to each of the teams. Now the buttons are currently set to only accept a point every 1.5 seconds at minimum, or at the shortest time, just due to some issues with debouncing on the buttons. But I can go ahead and add up points here for each of the teams. And if I add into the home team, which is currently on the right side, away team is on the left. Red adds a point, the yellow takes a point away. So the way the system is currently configured, you actually have to go through, and in order to finish a game, the winning team needs to score 10 points. Now in the future that might be configurable. Let me go ahead and just adjust here again, and we'll see if we can get a display going on that LCD. There we go. So I'll go ahead and see we currently have 7 points. Go ahead and switch in to the point where we get to 10 points. Now once we've got 10, the Netduino actually makes a web service call back to the .NET Nuke website and restarts or starts a new game there on the Netduino. But if we navigate back to the website now and do a refresh, what we're going to see is we have 3 games. The middle game there is the game that was just finished. We can see the home team had 1 point, the away team had 10 points. Now currently the way the Netduino is set up is it's only making a web service request when you press the new game button or when you hit 10 points to end a game. Now in the future I'll probably enable that to either be a button press to be able to update, or have it update on a more regular schedule, maybe even after a point occurs. That's a quick introduction to the DNNFoos Netduino project here I've been working on in the evenings. I hope to have a video sometime next week of it in action there on the .NET Nuke Foos table at .NET Nuke headquarters. My name's Chris Hammond. Thanks for watching.